Hello everyone. In continuation to the linked list methods, let us work on to the new method. So the new method is contains method. Now, as we have already growing up with the linked list which have been provided to us, we have to check whether an element is present, whether a particular node is present in the given list or not. Say for example, 45, I have to check whether 45 is contained in this list or not. Say 20, I have to check whether 20 is contained in this list or not. If it is present, it will return a true value. And if it is false, then it will return the false value. How we are going to perform this? So for this, definitely we need a temporary node. Well, we have already given the 3 nodes. Okay. So I will be taking a temporary node. So for example, this is my temp node. Okay. And I will be pointing this temp node to the head node. Currently, this is my head node. Therefore, this will be also my temp node. Now, I will check if temp is not equal to null. I have to firstly check because I have to iterate it through the linked list, right? So I will check if temp is not equal to null, then proceed further to check. Well, for here, temp is definitely pointing to an object, correct? So definitely it is not null. The condition is true over here. Then we will check further if whatsoever data has been given to us to check. So for example, we have given 20 to check. So I will check if data, this is my data, right? I will write it down here. This is to check whether this element is present in my list or not. So I will say it as, I will call this element as data. If data is equal to temp.data, again I will repeat, if the given element or the given data is equal to temp.data, are they same? Yes. The data here is 20 and the searched element is also 20. It means it will return true, right? In this way, we will proceed. Now, for example, let us now assume we don't have to check 20. We have to check 45. Okay. Now, what it will do? Again, we'll start from the very first phase. We have to check 45, okay, and it will check if temp is not equal to null. Temp is definitely not equal to null. It will point to this node for now. So I will check if data is equal to temp.data. Is this equal? Temp.data is 20 and data is equal to 45. Definitely they are not equal. Therefore, what it will do? The condition is false now. Now, I will move this temp to the next node. So I will say temp.next को बना दीजिए आप temp. So this is my temp now. Again I will check if data is equal to temp.data. Is this equal? 10 and 45 are equal? No. Therefore, condition here is also false. Move on to the next node. 45, that is data, is equal to temp.data. Yes, they are equal. Therefore, they are equal. Now it means we have found our element and I will return true over here. If during the traversal of whole of the linked list, if the element is not being found, what I will print? I will print to return false value. Hope you guys understand this. Let's now move on to the coding section. Well, over here I have already shown you how to define the node class, how to create my linked list class, how to do the myAdd method and the toString method. Now we will check on to create the contains method, right? So what am I going to do is I will write, because this myContains method will be printing us the true or false, a boolean value. Therefore, the method which we are creating also will be of the type boolean. So I have to print the data over here, right? What I will be doing now, I will be taking the node T as the temporary node. I will be printing it as temp head. I will be writing the logic while temp is not equal to null, iterate, right? And while iterating, check if data is equal to what we said, temp.data, then return true, okay, and move the temp to the next if not found, right? And if at the whole level, if the element is not being found, print false. Correct? So let me now put on my code over here. I will write it over here. List dot my contains 30. Let me just check if it will print true or false. So it's printing true. I will be printing 350. Let now check as false. Okay, so this is how we will be using the my contains method. Hope you guys understand this. Thank you very much.